Hello students, how are you? I am sure that all of you will be safe and sound at your home. My dear students, regarding our previous discussion, we have already discussed a lot of facts related with the story here, like two stories about flying, and it's the first part here, like his first flight. That's the creation of Lamb O'Flaherty, and it's the chapter related with our prose section, especially first flight. During our previous discussion, I have already provided you a brief description related with the story writer as well as the author, its characters, its spots, as well as a very brief description related with the story. Just after finishing these all the facts, today I think to provide you an idea related with stack based questions. Today I shall have to select an stack lines related with your literature book along with its solution. So all of you minutely, carefully and seriously focus my today's videos and follow me. Now, students are required to read the following stack carefully and answer these questions that follows. And the lines selected from your literature book, like he felt certain that his wings would never support him, so he bent his head and ran ways back to the little hole under the ledge where he slept at night. My dear students, now on the basis of these stack lines, focus to sort out correctly these all the questions. Like first question here, who is he in this stack? Its second question, why did he ran back to hole instead of trying to fly? Third question here, like question number C for you. Where did he sleep at night? And the last question for you here, why was he afraid of flying? Now, on the basis of these all the aspects, these will be the exact answer related with the first question here for you. Who is he in this stack? And its exact answer, like he is the young seagull in this stack. Now the second question here for you, why did he ran back to hole instead of trying to fly? And its correct answer here, like he thought his wings wouldn't support him, so he didn't try to fly. And the third question here, like where did he sleep at night? And the answer here, he slept at night in a hole under the ledge. And the last question for you here, like why was he afraid of flying? Regarding the answer here, he was afraid to flying because he thought his wings are too weak to support him during flying. My dear students, next day I shall have to provide you few stack based questions for your exercise or activity. So all of you stay at home, be safe. Thanks a lot. God bless you and hope to see you again.